Hello, everybody. As you know, no need to introduce ourselves, but we will anyway. This is the MakeCode Arcade live stream. My name is Vivian. I am at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joe at JWonderl on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Shannon at Chicao on the MakeCode forums.
And Richard did some hard work today, but it was unfruitful. Sad.
Yeah, I was trying to get like a whole fancy music set up for you guys. But, it just didn't happen.
Richard,
didn't come together.
Let's be honest. If you had just gotten it to work, would it have been as sweet music? No, we needed the struggle for us to really appreciate it. So, I'm glad.
I mean, it's sweet, but...
Okay, but don't worry, there will still be music in the stream, but just not through your ears, through your eyes with the Marching Band Simulator. So last week I made a big to-do list off stream of things I wanted to do, and some things I think are going to be necessary, like frame scrolling, because right now if you get more than so many frames, there's no way for you to see them. And then some, I think, also save to memory. So like if you make a big like marching file, I wanted it to save to your device so then you can be like, oh yes, all my work, not lost. Some things I feel like might not happen, like a marquee, so you can like select them and then move them in en masse. Because I tried to actually design a thing last week and it was a headache. And then maybe we want to like make certain frames longer. And maybe we want to do like music so that they have something to march to. And then also a playback indicator. Ooh, music!
How's the volume?
A little loud, but that might just be me.
Better?
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, I think that's fine.
Okay, cool. And so P0, should it be saving it to memory with the menus or should it be frame scrolling? Maybe frame scrolling?
What do you mean by frame scrolling exactly?
Like if we have this many, we can't see any of the frames anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Probably need scrolling, yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's see. I'll make a function. Of course. It'll be display thumbnails.
See?
Yeah. Joey, were you gonna say something?
Oh, we had a question in the chat if the music was from the game, but no, it's from Richard. He's just got his own cool stuff going on.
It's from the Omnicord.
We also have a note that Richard has good taste.
Thank you. Oh man, my Omnicord is having troubles today because there's something wrong with the power socket, and so it's occasionally turning off. So bear with me. The music might cut out sometimes.
Yeah. I also don't remember any of this code. Okay. We're gonna save it. My idea is I want to keep a variable that's the leftmost frame number, and then we'll go like 4 and we'll display it, and everybody else will be hidden. And then maybe we'll do like an animation when we change it over. But I can't remember where it was that I was like, oh yes. Well, maybe I'll just save button. When I click the save button, then we do the thing. Okay, wait. Now I'm on start. I'm going to set it there. Maybe set selected frame. I'll put it in select.
Vivian, you got a code in time to the music.
It's getting faster.
It's training, Vivian.
Leftmost frame index. How many frames can we fit? Four. Okay, it's greater than 4. Then we're gonna set it to be left.
Yeah, Dobix, I saw your post on the forum, which made me really happy because it reminded me of the time I named a dragon garbage can.
And then let's see, if the new frame number is less than it, then we'll set it to be, yeah, okay. I don't know if any of this is wait, the music got really quiet when Richard talked. New frame number is less
Yeah,
than...
I think the mic adjusts when Richard talks.
Yeah, it like starts picking up my voice and cutting out the background sound when I talk.
I see. Okay, is this -4 right, or is it gonna be an off by whatever?
I'm gonna figure it out next time,
You're
guys.
right.
Okay,
For like a fancy music setup.
Wait, are you showing 4 or 5? Sorry,
4.
Richard?
I was just saying that next time I'll have it figured out so that I can talk and have it going at the same time.
Okay. So we're basically doing pages here, right? So we're going over. You get to the last one, and then when you get that, you move over, and it slides over.
Yeah.
Or slide. Okay, cool.
Works? Yeah, if you can think of a good way to make it, to indicate that we're moving over one, I didn't think that far ahead.
You could be cute with it and do an animation, but you also don't have to.
Yeah, we'll deal with it if it's confusing. And now I have to remember the name of my variable that holds all the frames. Oh, it's just called frames. Not bad. Okay.
So is that a dime? Are we counting that as a dime?
I wasn't confused. I was saying I'm going to figure it out. There is no confusion there.
It's not searching for a... Is this different from searching for a searching?
I can't hear Joey.
Joey, it's, yeah, you... The music, I think, is drowning you out a little.
Yeah.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
All right, I'll turn the music way down, and hopefully that'll still be okay.
Is the dimes a new thing from yesterday, or is it similar to the searching for extensions incorrectly gets you a quarter?
Yeah, we're workshopping a lot of different ways to earn money, but yeah, I don't know if we want to keep the variable things because I feel like that's just me, you know.
All right, guys, I think music's done for today. I'm sorry, but my omnicord's having issues.
No.
Gonna have to open her up, see what's happening.
Oh.
Sorry, Joey. Where were we? Oh yeah. We're gonna workshop a bunch of different ones. We need to find things that will bite you guys more than me and Richard. But I don't know. I don't know what that will be. So, I'll open for suggestions. Okay, I'm going to make a new variable, and it's going to be a frame. My keyboard is having issues. I don't know if that's a battery situation.
Yeah. Keyboard batteries are harsh because it's like they last so long that you always forget that you have to change batteries eventually.
Yeah, this is what happened last week when right before the start of stream. I thought my keyboard was dying, so I had to rush and get a new keyboard. But this one has batteries, so maybe it's just like the keyboard itself is dead. And then we're gonna set the position. And then, what is this? Where are they even going? Who knows? Okay. Okay, let's go on. Click add button. Frames. Huh? What? But what is it? Oh, okay, let's Mystery value. I got distracted. How do we usually do stream? I feel like it's been so long, even though it's just been a weekend. What are you guys doing? What's going on with the world?
Hanging out. Chat is talking about grading. Can you see chat, Vivian?
I can, but I'm so bad at multitasking. If I read chat, I'm not going to be able to do things on screen. What's
No
chat
worries.
saying?
Chat is talking about grading systems. So in Austria, the grades are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 5 being the worst.
What? Okay.
And in Germany, it goes up to 6.
Oh, and 6 is the worst.
Yep, 6 is bad.
I feel like we change grading systems. Like,
Wasn't it always letters? Or no?
we started with like satisfactory, exceeds expectations, okay, or something. I don't remember the specific words because I didn't get the worst one. No.
I don't even know anything below exceeds expectations.
Exactly. The only thing I was bad at was handwriting, and
Oh, no.
those were just like satisfactory.
Nice.
Thumbnail X start. Man, I guess I'll change this one too. But did you guys always have ABCs?
This is like up to high school you're talking about,
Yeah,
right?
or like junior high or something.
Elementary? Yeah.
In elementary school, we had like a weird thing, but
Was yours S?
we had O, S, N.
Oh,
O was best.
was
overall,
best.
a great.
O was
Great
Obviously,
grade.
you did a great job.
Oh,
I don't remember what the rest were, to be honest.
because you didn't get them.
I'm trying to think.
Mm-hmm.
It might have been some sort of like letters for like, participates a lot or like doing good, needs improvement, that sort of thing.
Mm-hmm.
But we didn't have homework for a lot of elementary school.
Yeah. What did I even do? I think I gave myself homework. I was like, I will do extra math problems, so I'm super good at the math. And I sat in
Such a Vivian thing to do.
Yeah, I made myself an office in a closet, and I put a desk in there and a chair. I liked writing in my notebook. But I don't
Very
know.
official.
Thank you. Let's see. Oh, this is a width situation.
English was my favorite subject in school.
English? What do you like about English?
You get to read books. Davik said that English is their best subject.
Oh.
I liked getting to read stories and stuff. Sometimes you get to write stories. That's exciting.
Every class is reading class if you sneak a book into your desk.
Was reading class the one where they made you like read out loud in the group in the circle?
I don't think we had this.
We had that in like some classes, but I think that was like at the discretion of the teacher,
I hated that.
Now, one thing I hate is the round robin reading you had to do in class sometimes.
Yes, hate that too.
What is this?
You start reading, and then after like a sentence, then you go to the next person, then they read a sentence, then you go to the next person, or usually it's more, I think, probably like on the order of a page. And yeah, it's awful. You're like, please don't call me, please don't call me, please don't call me. But inevitably, your time comes.
I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, let's just see if it doesn't work. What am I saying? Okay.
I think it's the array.
Oh.
Yeah. Because you only have your index from 0 to 3.
Oh. If I get a value that doesn't, can I just put this in here?
Mhm.
Oh, okay, cool. Thanks, Shannon. Multitasking pro. Can read, can debug. Huh? Huh? No, that makes sense. I'm not confused. Not confused. No quarters.
I mean, I did see you dragging a function block in there. Was that a new function that you're calling, or?
Yeah, but Joey, here's the situation, you know? I was pretty sure it wasn't gonna work, and I was just gonna be pleasantly surprised if my code just worked for no reason. Okay, what am I doing? So, display thumbnails, update frame. Why is my plus button moving? Okay, let's do it. Let's do a classy save. Things are fine. I'm going to click the add button, and the add button moves. Is it because I told it to move? Thumbnail, left and Y. And then I call a bunch of functions. Why am I calling so many functions? Update frame, all markers push. Okay, this is to copy the markers to the new frame. Unindicate, display markers, current frame number. Maybe I do a display. No, I'll do a display thumbnails last. Oh, I did. Should I just call set selected frame? I feel like I should set. I feel like I'll just call that function and then not worry about it. Set selected frame. And then we'll put this in here, get rid of this. And then display thumbnails, I'm calling in here already. I don't know. We'll just see if it works. What's happening?
Leaving.
This is not what I wanted. Okay, they're coming back. Okay. So I'm waiting to figure out why the plus button is moving here first. That feels super strange. And then I'll deal with this, the fresh code. Okay. Add value on the other end. This one, unindicated highlighted frame. All markers push. Update frame. I guess I'll. Where do I? Okay. When I click the save button, I reposition the buttons because. Okay, here. I must have messed with something in this. Okay, I'll just have a sprite say if it's here, I guess. I don't know.
Are you using a tile map for this?
I am not.
Oh, okay. No, never mind then.
Do you think it's because the secret Okay, when I click the save button, shouldn't I make the other things ghosts? Question mark? Maybe it's triggering. No. Well, okay, I'll have the sprite say something. I'll have the hand say click. And then.
All right.
Yeah.
I've broken out the backup music machine.
Oh, what's the back? Is it the spooky Japanese music? Oh.
It's the Casio PS20, which is, well, not Casio, actually, it's Yamaha. The Yamaha PS20, which was a keyboard that Yamaha made a long time ago, and it's got a bunch of cheesy sounds and stuff in it, and an auto chord system like the Omnichord has. So I'm going to start this out for a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. You know, I don't want to drown Joey out, so we might not leave it on.
Okay, something in set selected frame is making things angry. I have found the similarities between these two functions. And yes, set selected frame, which makes sense because we've been messing with the code here. So some culprit is here making the plus button move. Yeah.
Or display thumbnails.
Or display thumbnails. That's true. That is also fresh code.
Can you hide the display, pull out the display thumbnails function and just run it and see if
Oh.
Question: is the set add new frame button position supposed to be the one you're setting the position for? Display thumbnails.
Sorry, Sorry, Joey. Say it one more time, and I'm going to focus on what you're saying.
Yes, Joey, I think you're right.
Okay.
Is that supposed to be 8 frame or something?
I give up. What? Yeah. Good call, Joey. Oh, I feel like that's $1. That was so bad. Thank you, Joey.
Is music too distracting?
No. I love music.
No, I think the music was off when you were doing this.
Oh, it was? Okay, wait.
I think it was just all of us were looking at chat and talking about other stuff, and then we're not paying attention. Oh, it was? This is a nice soothing music.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a little loud.
Better at all?
Joey, can you say something?
Hello.
That seems good.
I understand.
It's fine when people are saying things for me, but when nobody's saying something, the music is like, "Hello, Vivian. You want to think about me?" And I'm like, "Yes, I do want to think about you."
Richard, we need you to beat
no
over
music,
the
folks. It's too distracting. We're about coding. We're not about live music.
You know what? I think the perfect in-between solution is for Richard to just sing music to us the whole stream.
Yeah, sing us a song.
Bum, 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 bum. And then that's when Joey comes in with the high parts.
Wait, shouldn't that be like the Waltz of the Flowers, like ba 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 ba? Yeah. Da 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 da. Anyway. Okay. I'm focused now. Now we are going to have the sprites say how many frames there are. Display thumbnails. We're going to have the mouse. No, hand. It's called hand. Say frames length. And that's never going to be 0, so I'm just going to put that there. Nope. Frames. Don't be mad. Okay, cool. I want to get rid of the other say because Joey figured it out. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we are creating new frames, but we're displaying them poorly. Okay. So it's just this code. Okay, I'm going to think about it. Okay, we're going to get all the frames. And then... visible off. That's fine. Okay, it's got to be this position thing that messed me up before. Okay. The Y. Let's just give it, you know what? Whatever. Let's just give it a random position. Random.
It's a good idea. If you give it a random position, it'll give you like you know, nice vibe.
Yeah.
It's like you're always playing these on like a whiteboard or something, right? So you gotta move stuff around. You're drawing it on a card. You're posting it with a magnet. That's what's
Yeah.
happening. It'll be all
Okay.
over the place.
There are definitely frames being made. I think we knew that before. So now I'm just gonna look at this. The Y is fine, and the X. Okay, it's a frame with. Maybe I just hard code that. No. Yeah, I'll just make this like 30 for now. Plus 2. That's a plus, right? Yeah, those are pluses. Times value. So that'll be fine. So if this is 0, then it starts at the start. That
What
should be.
is value?
Oh, it should be. Oh. What is
Value
value?
is always value. It's getting bumped up. I think that's it. Or value is always. Oh, this is setting it to nan. Because it's the last frame, so it's a sprite times a number was going to be nan.
Mm.
So this is Batman.
Is even it?
No.
It works. It works. It works. Yay. Okay. Now, like maybe we do a bump animation. Maybe I'm tired of this. Okay, and now when you bring in the menu extension, settings blocks.
Recording? Is this
No,
settings?
it's right here.
This is for persisting stuff.
Yeah. Persisting it to the hardware so that we can save each frame state. Yeah. Okay, cool. Whew, no quarters today. And what we really need to do is load a state for each marcher, because each marcher knows its own path. What am I doing? Okay, where is the settings? And then set setting to number to string, an array. That's cool. Okay, so menu operations, remove setting with name. So do I just push the menu button, or like, a menu button, and then we got to make like the UI be like save. Okay. Psh, I've never used the menu button before.
New territory.
Yeah. Okay, let's make a menu.
You could use an extension, Richard.
Storytelling?
Is menu and storytelling now?
Yeah, there's menu stuff in storytelling. You know, there's like the ask for options at least.
Excellent. Okay, on menu button pressed, we're gonna be like.
Sorry, I'll pay more attention now. I shouldn't have this keyboard on my lap. It's too distracting.
What are you doing?
Just messing with chords.
Ah.
Did you hear any of that?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Okay. Let's just save it. Let's just have one thing. We won't even have multiple marching shows. This is a high school with only so much budget for their music program. So they're lucky to have one music show as it is, and it'll just be like, we'll just call it Marcher Data.
I gotta say, of all of the like games for you to get like really feature creepy in, I would not have expected it to be this one.
It's just so easy. It's like, oh, you do this one thing, and then it's just, they're also, they seem easy. Let's make a music editor for it. Let's see. This is gonna be an array marcher spots for each frame. And then last time it was just so, it was like, oh, it just worked. I kind of expected that to carry over to this time. Not expecting that not doing it for a week would make me forget. Oh.
What's it upset for?
Yeah, something's happening here.
Oh, you think I should address
I'm
this?
very upset.
Really?
This is not something I've seen before.
Oh. It's really mad. Declaration. I'll get that out.
This is happening from when you put the if in, I think? No.
It hates this. I'm not setting it to anything yet. Could that be why? Okay.
Yeah, maybe it'll just fix itself if you do. No.
Yeah. Let's make a new variable. All marchers. It'll be empty. And we'll push an array onto the array. Here it is.
Are you making an array of arrays and
Yes.
saving that?
Yes.
I think this one just only saves number arrays. So you just need to do pairs. So you just need to do x, y for each like mod 2. So that's the easiest way. So push x first, then push y, and then pop x first, pop y.
Should I? Wait, I don't get it.
Just make it the array twice as long so that for index 0 is x, index 1 is y for the first guy, index 2 is x, index 3 is y for the second guy. Does that make sense?
But we have like a bunch of marchers. So it's an array because we have a bunch of marchers and each marcher has an array of all their positions. So
but we're just flattening that so that we don't have to save an array of arrays because we're not going to be able to save an array of arrays.
Wait, say it again. Did Joey get super stereo for anybody else? No? Okay, never mind.
I got some static, I think, but I don't know.
Okay, everybody's stereo now. Whoa.
Oh, okay.
On the receiving end, do you guys hear that?
Not really. So the issue is that we can only save number arrays. We might be able to save string arrays too, but we should only save number arrays here. So we just want to save it as one array that contains all of the positions, right? All of the sprites, all the marchers.
But all of them will have multiple positions, right? Since it's multiple frames. So, okay, here's my thought. We have one setting, and then it's like saying how many marchers we have. And then maybe we have another setting. How many marchers we have. And then the name will be marcher and then the number. And then it'll be X positions. And then marcher number. We'll have this one X, and then we'll have this one Y positions. Then when we can do it, that's what I'll do. Is that what you were thinking, Joey? You were thinking.
This will work, yeah. This will work.
But your way will also work. Okay, I want to understand your way.
Mine's just make the array one long array, and you just keep track, because you know how many marches there are, and you know that you can just keep being weird. That X is always on an even number, and Y is always on an odd number. But yours is equivalent and just as good.
Okay, but then if we did it that way, then we would need to know how many frames there
are. You would just go until
or how many marchers.
I see. Marches there are in the length of the array, but it doesn't.
I see.
Either way. These all store the same data. It should be fine.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it this way, because this one's in my head.
That's the nice way to do it.
Set settings to number. We're gonna say num marchers, and it's gonna be the length of this. And then get rid of this one. Oh man, maybe I should delete that. All marchers. Delete. I think that's fine. Save those dimes, you know? Okay. Marcher spots for each frame. Okay, rename this one Marcher X spots. And then we're going to make another one. Yes. Marcher Y spots for each frame. I think I'm already storing them as numbers. Maybe I should see. Marchers push. Get number array X positions. Aha! Let's just borrow this. And maybe I don't even need these variables. Maybe I just set settings to number array. Index. No. Okay. Temp. Number. Index. Now I'm just going to call it temp number. Vivian in the future. Feel free to use this variable for any kind of temp number.
I think you should call it Vivian in the future. Feel free to use this for any kind of temp number.
I'm going to lose.
I really think that's a much stronger scenario.
But I feel like if I start reading that variable, I'm going to just, get bored of it. And then.
Okay, I just don't know if Vivian in the future is going to get the message.
Is there a future emoji?
Oh, there is. Okay, you know what? That's okay. Let's rename the variable. There is a future emoji. Crystal ball. maybe some binoculars too. So you see, no. What's another word for binoculars? Because when I tried bin, it
monocle's single. What's the
glasses?
Huh?
Telescope?
Oh, telescope. Yeah.
Well, is the one that pirates use a telescope? I think a telescope.
Seeing glass.
Stationary.
What? Do you mean like a sextant, Joey?
I don't think
No, like the one that when you're at the top of the pirate's mast, and then you're there's a ship on the horizon, and so you go and you go.
Seeing
Spyglass.
glass.
Spyglass.
Oh, on Sanderdine, got it. Okay, so this represents Vivian looking into the future. This is a temp number, and we'd be like, no, I don't think it likes the angles. Oh, there's definitely an arrow emoji. I'm not going to be confused about this. No, sir. And then we're going to join temp number, marcher to number array. Oh, yes. Marcher, and then we'll have an X, and then this one. Please don't be angry. Yes, excellent. And then we'll put a Y here, and then Y positions. And you know what? I'm not even gonna bother loading it. That if I make a really good thing, I'll code it up, and then worry about it. This is just insurance, right? Do you think I should? Okay, fine. Do you think I should?
Nah, we're good. We don't need to load stuff. We can fix it later.
Okay, can I make my marquee tool now, which is the thing I actually care about? Okay, let's get rid of that say number, because it's annoying. Shannon, did you finish eating your food? What were you eating?
It was Chinese food.
Ooh, but what?
Just rice and pork and bok choy and an egg.
And an egg. What kind of egg? Is it your favorite
tea
way?
egg.
A tea egg. Ooh.
Tea egg? What is a tea egg?
It's like an egg that you put in soy sauce. Or
Ooh.
Is it because it's tea colored?
I think so. There might be a tea component. I'm not super sure. You know those eggs that have you crack them all over and then you soak them, and then the sauce comes through and there's a cool crack pattern on the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, those things.
Oh yeah, it gets boiled in tea.
Huh.
But tea and soy sauce. Tea doesn't taste like anything.
Hot take from Shannon.
No, I like tea. Tea is good.
Do you guys remember where I put that sprite say? I want to get rid of it, but it's hiding from me. It's like the horror movie.
Right? Was it?
Just use the workspace search.
There's a workspace search? How do I do that? Do I just control
No, there isn't.
Oh, Richard! Why did you give me hope? Okay, click save button. Oh man.
Does it come up?
It happens when I click save at the beginning. For one, I click save and then I add a new frame. It comes up, and that's.
Is it on a button press?
Ooh, I don't think it's on a button press. But if anything, it'd be on an A button press.
No.
Collapse. Maybe it's on a.
Maybe we could step through the on A button press real quick and just see which step it happens after.
Okay, sure. Yep, I love that. Okay. And then I'll do this. Okay, cool. Easy. Oh, it's also on the on start. Should I just do the on start? No, because then there's like a game update. Okay. Play. Why won't you play? Please. I have things to be doing today. I don't have time. Is this my fault?
Restart.
Okay, sorry for yelling at you. That was weird that it didn't hit before, but it's okay. Step. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Can you set another
Nothing.
breakpoint?
Oh.
Okay. It's all good.
Do you want me to set another breakpoint? I'll do it.
I was just thinking that we could narrow it down to which function calls it by just setting a breakpoint at the top of. Oh, I guess there aren't that many. Never mind.
Okay.
I thought there was found like 4 functions in button pressed.
I'll do there's a bunch of functions here. Should I just do that?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. I like that.
Then we can just which function it is called in, basically.
Is it set selected frame? Okay,
Oh.
it's probably just in my position code, right? Because that's where I've been putting everything.
That makes sense.
Yeah, display thumbnails.
Believe it.
Well, yeah, wow. It didn't. For some reason, I'm looking at all the blocks today, and none of them mean anything to me. I'm like, yeah, those look like blocks. I believe anything that they say. Okay.
Don't trust the blocks when they speak to you.
All these things fit together. They just make sense together.
Yeah,
They're
definitely.
What was that thing you kept printing out before?
Click. It's me. It me.
It me.
Yeah. Edit. Okay, save button. Else dragging this marcher. Okay, else if. Grab a marcher. Okay. Okay. So if there's nothing here, then I'm going to start making a rectangle for a marquee. Okay, so I'll just start making a rectangle and I'll deal with the consequences later. That's my plan. Can I just draw a rectangle onto the screen? Is this going to be a Joey extension situation?
Oh man, I hate Joey extension situation.
Do you have sprite utils installed already?
Did I? No.
Just
Okay.
Extension situations.
Yeah.
So, Jay, should I help you or should I?
No.
Should I go for the other?
Okay. That's right. Util. I'm going with an S.
One.
I'm going with the S.
That's a Gordon.
No.
Oh, Vivian.
But it's in the thing, right?
Charging quarters for not having memorized extension names now?
Yes.
Yep.
This is in an effort to get you to pay more quarters.
Joey, there's an S here. What are you talking about? Are you kidding me?
I named it before. I named the repo before I named the category.
See, I've got this one down now. I'm not gonna mess this one up.
It's because I look at it here. How often am I, adding it in compared to looking at it in my toolbox? This is ridiculous.
So, render on Z index is the one that you'll want, and you'll want to put just
like a rectangle start spot.
yeah, like
Oh, we got a comment from Unsigned Arduino. I wish TypeScript had an enumerate. There are enums in TypeScript.
Yeah. There's even string enums, which are really cool, but we never use them because we don't.
I don't think we support string enums though.
We don't support them.
Yeah, but we support regular enums.
Yep. Gamusica is 100% right. More quarters means more puppy.
Yep, that's what we do this for.
Yeah.
But more puppy.
Doing it for Bartholomew, aka Gilgamesh, aka Tapioca.
Tapioca! This one I remember secret.
Do we start funding another puppy and just, fund the current puppy off of other things, or do we need extended expenses off of
Joey, we are nowhere close to having enough money for our first puppy. So let's get one puppy out of the way, and then we can talk about the next puppy,
Fine.
Are these gonna play nicely together? Can I just draw a rectangle or?
You gotta drag out screen, but yeah, that's the intention.
Oh, thanks, Joey. What a great extension. A+. Yeah, I think we should just spoil the puppy, no matter how much money it gets. And then hot take. What if the puppy grows up to be evil, anti-good coding habits puppy because it likes
We're
having
gonna raise
money.
the puppy right, Vivian.
But
Unless you're planning on, corrupting this puppy.
But it's gonna associate us doing, bad coding habits with, good food, good treats.
No,
right?
it won't, because by the time we have the puppy, the quarter system will have taught us all good habits.
But then are you saying that we're gonna let the puppy starve?
What? No. That's why we're gonna make sure that we have enough for the first year of the puppy before we get the puppy,
But what about after that? Sorry, I was just realizing that if it's I have to deal with the 4 questions.
We'll come up with a new thing. Like every time you do something good, you pay a quarter.
Sorry. Yeah. What a headache. Wow. Why did I start making a marquee tool? Okay.
Joey,
okay.
Can you say that word you just put in chat?
Which one?
Your favorite word.
Oh, handschuhe.
What?
It's gloves. The direct translation is hand shoe, and that's why I love it. It's because gloves are just hand shoes.
That's true. They are.
Ooh. Okay. Sorry.
I feel like there should be more of more glove fashion. I feel like
you mean fingerless gloves and yeah.
Okay, so you got fingerless gloves, right? And then you've got long gloves, and then you got gloves. I think that this is real estate that we should be capitalizing on for fashion,
Maybe you should have fingerless gloves that have fingers attached, kind of like a hoodie, so you can put the fingers on if you want, or you can just leave them off and they float.
I'm pretty sure those exist. Yeah, for smartphones.
I hate that. Okay.
What? I feel like I just realized I don't maybe need to. Yeah, I need to, just in case, I'm sorry.
If I was a fashion designer, I would have a line of gloves, and then but I would have to be a famous fashion designer first, So then, when I do, it's Milan, right, during Fashion Week, and then everyone's doing their fashion shows, and then everyone's like, "Oh, I can't wait to see the new Richard line," and then it's all gloves, nothing else.
What kind of innovations are you making in gloves, Richard?
I'll figure that out later.
Oh, sure. It's more.
I just feel like there's something there. I can't say what it is, but...
Okay, you want to hear my idea? I think there needs to be a Seattle umbrella brand. And people in Seattle just don't use umbrellas enough. It's much more enjoyable living in rain if you have an umbrella. And people just they don't want it, but they should. That's my idea.
So this is a thing that probably people in chat don't know. But there is a thing in Seattle where it rains all the time here. It's well known for that. But people do not use umbrellas. You use a raincoat.
Or you just get wet and they're like, yeah, it's not rain.
I mean, that's actually what I usually do. I normally just get wet.
Yeah. Lazy
unless it's like pouring.
Yeah, but it's so much nicer with an umbrella. Okay, that is a...
Bye on San Arduino.
Bye on San Arduino.
Yeah, but umbrellas make it hard to walk through doorways. And, you can twirl them, though.
I feel like, I feel like this is a big plan, maybe by the government or something, because they knew that if everybody in Seattle used umbrellas, there wouldn't be enough space to fit all of us. So they try to encourage a culture where we are umbrella free. So then, we have enough space for everybody. But, it's nice.
Could be. You want to destroy that piece.
I'm just thinking people might be happier with the umbrellas. We'll innovate on umbrellas. Why can't we have everybody be happy and then have cool umbrellas or something,
But what kind of umbrella do you like? Do you like the ones that go shoop, or the ones that are already super long?
I like
walk.
Also, if everyone was carrying around umbrellas, it would just take one tornado to whisk everybody away.
Yeah.
That's true, but think of the freedom you would have with an umbrella. You are no longer confined to places that are dry. You can go anywhere.
Well, a raincoat also achieves that.
But your hands would be wet?
That's why gloves, man.
True, Richard. You really have the more solid business strategy. Okay, if state is equal to then we're also going to set the marquee X and Y to be null. Will it be angry about this? I have no idea. Oh, I have a question for you guys. How do you say, did I already ask you this? How do you say 20?
20.
20.
What?
We're getting a German test in the chat, so I figured the spontan kind.
20.
Say it again, Joey.
20.
Oh.
Shannon, how do you say 20?
Oh, 20?
Okay. That's
Same
what I
as
thought. So somebody I know says it with a 1, like 20.
20. No, not good.
Yeah. Okay, cool. No need
20.
to have a discussion. Yeah, 20. Okay, so maybe I talk about this. Do you guys think 20 and plenty rhyme?
Yes.
20 is plenty.
They're different, but
I mean, it's like, how pedantic do you want to be with the rhyming thing? Because you could say that for 20 to rhyme with something, it would have to have winty at the end and not linty,
just
but they
enty.
both have inty, which is right.
20,
20 and plenty.
20, plenty, 20. Wait, I might be the one who says it with a 1.
Yeah, I think the way I say it also doesn't exactly. Plenty is more E.
Yeah.
It's like
20,
flat.
20, plenty, 20, plenty, 20. That's like rhyming, right? I feel like that's how I know.
Yeah, but you're saying 20 different. Like it's 20 versus 20.
Yeah.
20, plenty, 20.
20.
You're right. I do kind of pronounce plenty with more of a T than I do 20.
Oh, the T is the difference for you.
Yeah. It's common in English, I feel like, to drop T's. Everyone does it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not
For
dropping
me,
my T.
it's the way I say the E.
You do it sometimes, though, and it's like the most version of it is the Cockney accent, where they drop like all T's. But like for the most part, I mean, it's just like T's often get dropped in English, I feel like.
Because Boston?
I don't think it's because Boston. I've never
because
been
of the Tea Party. It's because of the Boston Tea Party. They dropped all the tea off the side of the boat.
Yeah.
You gotta drop your tea from that point on.
Exactly. And the people in the Cockney area, they also want representation if they are being taxed. I remember why we had the Boston Tea Party. Marcher.
We got a request from you to say 5,555. I do always love how German you just add 55, the number and 20. So 1, 5, and 2.
All right. No one's gonna judge me for saying this, but here goes. 5,555.
Not judging. No.
That sounded the same as what Joey just said. Oh, please don't be mad at me. It's not. I promise. It might be. Okay. But anyway, it's 2:00. So let's. So, yeah, we have a meeting. So we're gonna sign off real quick. My name is Vivian. I'm at Livestream on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Joey at J100 on the MakeCode forums. You should press share before something weird happens, because something weird's happening here.
I'm Richard at Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Shannon at Chicago on the MakeCode forum.
Yeah.
Press